We got the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Well, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so these are the buy one get one free. These are the Makita 40 volt tools. Yes, the price, yeah, they're a little high, but keep in mind you are getting a free battery, and that free battery is able to be returned. So it's a $229 value. You're not going to get $229 off, but you are going to get something that close. So just keep that in mind. So when you're buying, when you're seeing these prices, make sure you guys take at least $160, $180 off. So anyways, these are the kits. They do come with batteries and chargers, except for this chainsaw, I believe. Yeah, this chainsaw's tool only. $629. So $887. All the batteries are on sale. These are the energizers. Not too bad. The Duracells, $10, $10.97. Alright, so they are still advertising that they want to get rid of these small engines, and they want us to, they're just telling you how much pollution you're making with the leaf blower and the lawnmower. And I don't know what they have with this. Is it maybe you're supposed to turn in your unit or what? So if you guys want to read that, if you're interested, or you can go online. This is the clearance section. This is a 9 feet extension cord, $13 down from $14. And then those of you that got the generators, yes, you guys know what I'm talking about, the glitch of the generators. Look how much money you're going to be saving, or you already did save. So all these generators, they're at least $949. Most of them are $1,000. So yeah, you guys did save a lot of money. Alright, so this is the 6 outlets, 4 feet cord. This is a metal surge protector, $6, guys. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. Commercial electric power LED motion light with the solar panel there for $27, down from $54. Solid deal. You got a Husky 24-inch tool bag, $37. It's a huge tool bag. It's one of the biggest ones I've seen. I couldn't imagine how much this thing weighs after you fill it up. Alright, so $129. This is the reciprocating stuff from DeWalt. Remember, guys, these clearance prices, sometimes these prices are not what they say, and they are a lot lower, sometimes pennies, dollars from what they say. So always double check with your associates, because some of these are really low. 17-inch open tote tool bag with the handle, $42 down from $44. You got a radio there for $144. That was $159. And then you got this brushless cordless tool, $99, which is vacuum. It's a 3-in-1 vacuum. I never seen this vacuum before, so just catch my attention. All right, so these are the accessories you guys could put with your drills or impact drivers. $10.97. This is a great for parts cleaning or any type of cleaning. And then you got some polishing accessories here. $12.97. Impact kit, Milwaukee, $129, down from $199. You got a compact drill driver, 2-piece for $159. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. These are it right here. This is the drill driver kit for $129. That's it right there. You guys are the lucky ones to get it, because these are already sold out at this store. And then $129 for the impact driver. These are pretty good tools. I've had those tools before. They're pretty good. Alright, so you got the buy one get one free. These are hackable, guys, especially that compressor, that SDS rotary hammer, the bandsaw. All those are really good deals, especially with that 6 amp hour battery. You guys are able to return that. The high torque impact wrench, guys, for $279. After that, it's going to drop down about $100. So it's going to be around $177. Killer. That pack out vacuum, guys, there for $199. Jump on it, guys. It's gonna be around 130 after you return that battery. Killer deals on those. Fuel pack out, went and dry vacuum, 199. Like I said, they did drop the price, so jump on it. I do have that thing's a beast. I have this one too as well. It's a beast. And pretty much all the tools from Milwaukee are just like really powerful. You got a sander. I will consider something better than the sander. This sander's not brushless. It's an older style. The DeWalt one I heard is pretty good. I do have this one, by the way. It works, but I've seen better. This is the impact driver drill driver, or hammer drill combo. $379. You get yourself a free battery. And this is the high torque impact wrench that everybody's talking about. This is a beast. It's a solid beast. Yes, it was. They did have their bad ones. Milwaukee pulled those down. They took them away. If you guys want to check out that video, it is on my channel. I actually went and purchased one of those guns or impact wrenches at the Home Depot and tried it at the parking lot, and it broke at the parking lot. But that was just that batch. Milwaukee completely fixed that, and they took that down. So they put fresh tools in the Home Depot, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so that's the battery you guys are going to get for free, and these are the tools. These are M12 deals. So buy any of these kits on the left, you're going to get a free tool on the right. That rotary hammer, the impact driver drill driver, the new Gen 3s, the installation driver. You're going to be able to get the 3/8 ratchet, the right angle drill driver, the soldering iron, the oscillating multi-tool, or the rover lights. So any of those tools with those tool kits. So definitely check those out. These are hackable as well. These are really nice impact sockets. I do have them. I use them all the time for the test I do with you guys with the drills, Milwaukee versus DeWalt or whatever I have. So I use these sockets all the time, and they've held up very, very well. So definitely recommend these sockets for you guys. It's a really nice set, compact size, especially for those impact wrenches. These are 3/8 driven, by the way, and 6-point impact rated sockets. It seems like it's battery month on every store basically. So these are $17.80, same thing at Costco. They're on sale. $14.97 and $29.97 for the segmented and diamond turbo masonry blades. So definitely jump on these. These are solid blades. These are from the Diablo brand. You guys know Diablo is a very, very good brand. Alright, so some DeWalts. These are kits, by the way. These come with batteries and chargers. The compressor, I believe not. The blower, $199. That's the kits. All the nailers. You got the framing nailer, the brand nailer, the 23 finish nailer. They do come with 5 amp hour batteries and chargers. This is the blower, $199. Was $249. 450 CFM. That's pretty decent for an 18-volt tool. You got the compressor right there. It is battery powered, by the way. This is $219. I believe the compressor tool only. Does not say kit. Now this one is the kit. It does come with the battery. I don't know if it's a 5. It looks like a 3 maybe. So 18 gauge brand nailer, $319 down from $349. You got a 16 gauge finish nailer, $399 down from $429. It is the kit as well. Same thing with this impact, or not impact, with this framing nailer, $399. Was $439. Alright, so these are $19.97. It's a black and gold 21 piece. Pretty decent. Definitely great for smaller projects. Alright, here's another one, $129. It's a pretty decent hammer drill. And then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools, especially that 149 atomic impact driver. That is one of the newest tools that they have. These are all great tools, especially that ratchet, the new screw gun there. You get yourself a free power stack combo kit. And then you got the 2 pack of 5s. That's it right there. Those are the new batteries, stacked lithium. Those are all the tools, at least the ones they have left here at the store. $9.97, they're from $16.97. DeWalt auto load utility knife. They only have one left. And then they got, yes guys, I still keep saying that this is probably the best bang for your buck. This is the built out from Husky. Definitely recommend these. I will definitely jump on these instead of any other ones. But if they don't have it, or if you don't like that brand, you can go with these. These are very, very well proven by the years quality. This is the new, I believe this is the 2.0. It's a great, very comparable to that Husky, but the Husky does have a little bit more accessories and all kinds of build out stuff. These are the older Huskies. I would stay away from those. But however, if you do have the money, or if you want to wait for the Christmas deals or the Black Friday deals, I would definitely wait for these. These are top of the line boxes, proven themselves over the years. I do have them myself. I've dropped them. I've had them on the back of the truck. It rained. They've been sitting on the sun, everything, and they've been holding up pretty good. This is the Yeti style cooler. Then you got an organizer here. You guys do see these. These are pretty premium boxes. So I just wish that they did, more accessories, or more with them, because they've been lacking a little bit on those. All right. So this is the plate. This is the universal plate from the DeWalt tilt system to the T-Stack, and yes, the Craftsman Versa stack as well. So, and it does compatible with the tough case, those tough cases that you buy with the drill bits. Very, very compatible. So everything's compatible with these plates. Alright, you got the Tough System 2.0 large toolbox for $119. As you guys do see, these are premium prices for premium Tough System organizers. This is a half organizer, the Tough System 2.0. Really nice. I really like the shape, the color, the quality of the boxes. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. You guys have a great weekends. Those of you that got the generators, make sure you guys enjoy your generators. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.